everybody, I'm Mr. Lake, and I teach AP Physics and AP Physics 1 and AP Physics C here at Buchanan High School, and I'm here to tell you why you should take this class, or who should take this class, and which class you should take and what. So, and don't worry, I'm recording this on my document camera, which kind of, it's not so great. The video and sound don't quite match up, but you can deal with it. Now, what is physics? Physics is the science and the study of things that happen in the universe that are the most simple, and we try to understand them deeply. For example, look here, I've got a baseball, and watch what happens. I'm going to drop the baseball. I'm going to release it and see what happens. Let's try it again. Why does that happen? Why? Okay, you say it. There's a word everybody says. Well, I know why that happens. That happens because of, say it. No, gravity. Gravity is just a word. What does it mean? Why does it happen? How does it happen? For example, if I release the baseball, how fast is it going just before it hits my hand? How much time did that take? At what rate did it increase its velocity? It's so simple that we're able to use mathematics to describe the motion of things that are in motion. So that's one of the first things we study in physics, is the study of motion. Okay, but we also study things like force and energy and all momentum, rotating. Right now in AP Physics 1, we're studying the physics of objects that rotate. I mean, what do I have to do to get this wheel to rotate? I have to apply a torque to it. So we apply torques and we try to figure out and understand and describe the motion of an object that rotates. Watch this. This is cool. This will blow your mind a little bit if you've never seen this. I'm going to pick this thing up. I'm going to spin it. Really feel hot. Yeah. Okay, it's spinning really fast now. Now watch. Watch. I'm going to release it, and look what it does. Look what that does. Have you ever seen that before? Okay, this is because of angular momentum and torque and all that kind of thing. So sometimes the universe is crazy. Sometimes the universe makes sense. Sometimes it doesn't make sense. And physics is the human mind trying to interpret what's going on in the natural world, try to make sense out of it. Now, there are two different kinds of AP Physics, and I'm going to show them to you right now. The first is AP Physics 1. Now, AP Physics 1, you should be done with math. Who should take it? Well, first of all, future lawyers, poets, citizens, educated people. But if you're interested in the medical profession, physical therapy, nursing, physician assistants, even being a physician yourself, you should take AP Physics 1 in high school. Future biologists, environmental sciences, scientists, and anybody who's just really curious about how the universe works should take AP Physics 1. It's a challenging class. It's algebra and trigonometry based. You should be in. You should be finished with Math 3. It's really great to take with advanced math or advanced math analysis or whatever they're calling it now in the math department. It's really a great class to take with that because we cover a lot of the same topics. It's not as hard as AP Physics C. It is not an easy class, but it is a challenging class, and I promise you, you will be ready for college if you take AP Physics 1. Now, let's talk about AP Physics C. AP Physics C is among the hardest classes offered at Buchanan High School. It is, who should take it? Well, future engineers, computer scientists, future chemists or physicists. You're serious about studying science or technology when you get into college. The C stands for calculus. We use calculus in the class. So you should be done with advanced math or advanced math analysis. You should be in AP Physics, AP Calculus, AB or BC. You don't have to be in BC, you can be in AB. But you should be done with advanced math analysis or advanced math before you take it. and it's tough. It's really a tough class. But I'm going to tell you one thing: AP Physics C, that's the class you're glad you took. Because when you go to college, they try to use freshman physics and sometimes in college to kind of weed people out. You will not be weeded out of my class if you take AP Physics C. So if you have any questions about both of these classes, okay, just come talk to me. I'm in room 902. I'm a nice friendly guy, so I hope to hear from you. Take AP Physics. You won't regret. You might regret it while you're in it because it's kind of hard. But once you've taken it, you'll be glad you did. That is all.